Today I'm trying out a bunch of activities in third person, some of which are easy, and some of which are not. Because in video games, playing in third person can make things a lot easier, so that's probably true in real life too, right?
Right, here we go. Okay.
If you're confused, I'm using the goggles to see from the perspective of this drone that my friend Chase is flying behind me. It's a pretty common setup for flying drones, but nobody ever actually tries to do anything while wearing these.
Okay, come on. Okay, I'm straight. Okay. Yeah! Okay, not only was that really hard, but it was probably the easiest thing we'll be doing today.
Because next, I'm doing an obstacle course.
How am I supposed to do this?
You see, third-person video games use a lot of angles, so I'll be trying as many of them as I can throughout these challenges. Like this one, where I can only see from the side.
Easy peasy. Okay. No! Is this possible?
I don't think so.
I'm gonna go for it. That didn't go to plan. What's up?
There's one missing here.
That's why it's so hard!
Okay, since that one was broken, let's just do one more course from another angle.
Oh, I didn't know it was gonna swing. I guess I should have expected that though. You know Crash Bandicoot? That's me. Ow. I keep bonking my head. Okay. Oh, there are handles. This feels very similar to something we've already done. Okay.
There's no handle.
Oh, thanks, kiddo.
There's no handle there either.
What? Oh my gosh, my legs are killing me. Well, there's no handles, man. What am I supposed to do?
Next, let's take it back to a classic.
I've actually never played tennis before, so this should be pretty interesting. Oh, I hit something. I thought I'd just miss it. Okay, so that didn't work. All right. Okay, this is so hard. You never see how they get the ball. How am I getting worse? Can I serve a ball? Part 50. I'm gonna do it like volleyball. Oh! You're out!
I'm not out.
Change sides! Ah! Come on! This one's for you. Everyone watching at home. Not this one. I'm sorry. Did I say this one? This one's for you. Aha! Dang it! Wow, it is a sauna in this headset. Gah! It's just like a dot. And it's not like Wii Sports where there's like a perfect shadow right underneath. There's no shadow. I am the winner due to disqualification. I am the king of tennis in third person. I wonder if anyone else has ever done this.
What's crazy is that the next thing I'm doing is actually way easier than this.
Yeah, this looks way harder than I thought. Okay. Can I use the pink? Easy. I'm really scared to fall with this. Okay, this guy should be a bit harder. It starts here?
Yeah, 2 hands there and then you start.
Okay. The falling is easily the scariest part. That's crazy.
Okay, I know this sounds crazy, but I think rock climbing is pretty easy. I seriously don't know why everybody says it's so hard. Chase says we should stick to the easy courses for the video, but the results are saying I'm naturally ready for the pro courses.
That was pretty sick. Okay, so which ones did you say I'm allowed to use?
The pink one, V5.
Just the pink ones.
You start with 2 hands on the V5.
This guy? Like this.
Yeah.
And then like, I guess here?
You gotta get probably both feet on that.
I don't know if I can get both feet on this. I don't know if they remembered to finish this one. There's not enough things. Is that one?
Yeah.
What? So I'm gonna just cheat a little. You know, I think this is why there's professionals.
All right, well then before we leave, I want to complete one more course from another angle.
Okay, so this is cool, but I literally can't see most of them. But I can feel them. Look at that. It's just like climbing a mountain blindfolded, you know? Okay. Oh, no, okay. Too easy.
Next, all I have to do is catch a football, except I'll be playing from the angle used on TV.
Wait. I can't see anything. Ah, the second I start moving, the whole headset is bouncing. And I can't see when I run. All I have to do is catch the ball. Okay. Ah. God. Yeah. Touchdown. Ah. 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 The shot isn't over here. I can't see the ball. Oh. From my angle, it just looks like it's about to hit my face. Gah! All right, this one's for all the marbles. If I can get this, I get to drive Chris's car. Yes! Yeah! Woo! People are gonna say it's fake, and I honestly would too. That's crazy.
Now, it's time for the final challenge. I just have to get through this small course, but if I hit a single cone, the video is over. Okay. So in case I don't get a chance to say this later, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.
It's so weird. There's no way I'm not gonna hit this first cone. Let's just see what happens, you know? Okay, dude, it's just like the game.
No way. No way.
Okay.
No way.
Okay.
No way.
You know how many hours I have in GTA?
Oh my lord.
Come on.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is the whole stretch. Go straight.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know how close I am to the front at all.